you writing down. You can buy them. You want them?
No.
Okay, if you go in Texas, you can buy you can buy the clothes. When you run there, you can have them. You want to buy it.